Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with G2, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin with a clear understanding of your sales objectives. Identify the specific metrics you want to track. Visit the G2 website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features G2 offers. Select the Insights tab to access market research and competitor comparisons. Use this information to identify trends relevant to your industry. Analyze customer feedback to understand pain points and preferences. Set up your ideal customer profile based on this analysis. Utilize G2's review data to highlight features that resonate with your target audience. Access the lead generation section to create tailored marketing campaigns. Segment your audience according to their needs and preferences. Leverage G2's audience insights to refine your messaging. Create compelling content that speaks to your identified audience segments. Implement A/B testing on your campaigns to determine what works best. Monitor the performance of your campaigns through G2's analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on performance data and real-time feedback. Engage with potential customers through G2's communication features. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Incorporate positive feedback into your marketing materials. Review and refine your sales strategies regularly to keep them effective. Stay updated on new G2 features that can further enhance your sales strategy. Continue to build relationships with your leads throughout the sales process. Evaluate your overall sales performance periodically and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate successes and learn from less effective strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.